Okay, my name is Ian. I'm from Scotland. I lived in London for a long time. I've come to Maltepe Dental. I had my teeth done this week. For decades I've wanted this work done, but I've always been scared, nervous, apprehensive about having the work done. But I've come here this week and the guys have been great, fantastic. No issues at all like I thought there may be with pain or blood, or it was all went very smoothly. My teeth are fitted now, with no pain, nothing to catch my tongue. My tongue runs very smoothly around the teeth. I can eat perfectly. I'm very, very happy.
That's what I'm looking for.